What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. This is Tika, aka Hippie Skippy, and today I bring you guys an informational on time management skills. So today I'm going to teach you guys a few ways to try to manage your time a little bit better so that you can be a little bit more productive throughout the day. Alright guys, so the most important thing you need to know about managing your time is the importance of your time. Your time is very important. So like people, they like to sleep in. That's just not really good time management skills. My suggestion would really be to try to get as much done as you can in the morning time. I'm getting a little bit ahead of myself, you guys. There's just so much important information to give you guys on this subject. Like, I'm just really getting ahead of myself, so I'm gonna slow down a bit and we're just gonna get right on into it. Alright guys, so after you finally figure out like the importance of your time, the best thing that you can do is identify what you have to do and do that first. My personal suggestion would be to just write it down what you have to do the day before or the night before. Get some of the things that you have to do out of the way the night before so that the next day you won't have so much to do. For example, if you wear clothes that needs to be ironed, my suggestion to you would be to iron your clothes the night before instead of having to wake up extra early and iron your clothes, because that's time that you can be spending doing something else a little bit more productive. Another really good tip is to work from your calendar. When you work from your calendar, you're on a set schedule and you can get a lot more done in a little bit of time without even knowing it. So for example, like for me, I do YouTube videos, so I try to manage my video timing and when I record my videos on my calendar. So say that I need like 5 videos posted in December. Well, in November, I would try to go ahead and get those items done according to my calendar, and that way I won't have to be such in a rush to get it done. My next huge tip is overcoming procrastination. You guys, procrastination is the devil. Like, even I have to deal with procrastination all the time. Like, procrastination, that's really when you're just thinking about excuses and you're just thinking about other stuff knowingly you have other things that you have to get done. So overcoming procrastination is going to be one of your biggest accomplishments that you can make when managing your time correctly. So the next thing is the fact that there is always going to be something to do. Like, just don't sit there and think that you're done, because there's always going to be something to do, especially when you're into entrepreneurship or when you're into like YouTube, like me. Like, there's always going to be something to do. There's always going to be videos to edit. There's always going to be thumbnails to make. There's always going to be videos to make. So once you figure out that there's always something to do, you're heading in the right direction into managing your time in the correctly manner. Alright, so the next tip is to always carry a notebook. I know this sounds a tad bit cliche, but when you have a notebook, you're really jotting down stuff that you're gonna eventually forget. You guys don't know that we have thousands of thoughts that run through our mind daily. So of course you're gonna forget like a lot of those thoughts, even the important ones. So my suggestion, like even now, like I have a notebook. My suggestion is to always have a notebook somewhere near, or a notepad. You can even use your notes on your iPhone, and that way you can just jot little stuff down so that you can get it done quicker. Alright, the next tip is to control your inbox. Control your inbox, y'all. So when I say control your inbox, that's your notifications, that's your email, that's your iMessenger, that's all of that. So with me, you don't have to do this. This is just what I do. I don't turn on my notifications for social medias like Snapchat and Facebook and Instagram, and I do that only because it's so quick. It's so easy for me to get distracted while checking a notification on Snapchat or checking a notification on Facebook, because you can easily find yourself strolling instead of doing something that you were supposed to be doing in the first place. I just feel like social media can easily become a distraction. So shutting off those notifications, even if it's just in the morning time, is going to be very beneficial for you in your time. So the next tip is going to be say no to everything that doesn't support your goals. So if you have like people who are always trying to drain your energy and always asking you to do stuff, it's okay to say no. Like, for example, with me, my family knows not to call me unless they text me first. Because if they call me, I'm 9 times out of 10, I'm not gonna answer. They always have to text me first, so I know, like, I have to make sure I'm mentally prepared for whatever they're going to ask me. Unless it's my mom, I answer all phone calls from my mom. And my sisters, I really answer all phone calls from them. But they know when they need to ask me to do something. Nine times out of 10, they're gonna ask me through text message because I'm probably gonna hold off on the answer or something like that. I don't know. I'm weird. Alright, guys. So the next tip is a fairly cool tip, and it's following the 80-20 rule. So the 80-20 rule is 80% of results come from 20% of focus. 80% of results come from 20% of activity. Basically, it means to stay focused. So you get your results from staying focused. Like, it's hard sometimes, and like I know, like what we were talking about earlier, procrastination is really easy to get caught up in. But try using the 80-20 rule. Like 20% of your time of you just doing hard work focusing on your goal, you're gonna get 80% of your results. 20 plus 80 equals 100% of success. Okay, guys, so the next tip is to make a weekly schedule. A weekly schedule, putting yourself on a schedule, like, first of all, it's a part of being an adult. You need to be on some kind of schedule. You can't just be laying around not doing anything, not being productive. You have to get something done. So try putting yourself on a weekly schedule. Putting yourself on a weekly schedule, not only is that going to make you be successful faster, but it's also going to help you get a lot done faster without you thinking that it's work. So when you're on a schedule, you're not looking at things like it's work. You're looking at it like boom, 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 I'm gonna get it done because this is just my regular schedule. So that's just like waking up every day at 6:30 in the morning. Like, some people, successful people, they don't look at that as a chore. They look at that like that's just my regular schedule and this is just what I do daily. So try putting yourself on a schedule and you're going to see a big difference in managing your time correctly. Another thing that deals with scheduling, try making your schedule to where you have a little free time also, because you don't want to just work because it's going to seem like work, and you don't want like doing something that you love to seem like work. Even though waking up 6:30 every morning, I think that's a good idea, only because not only does it become a habit, but you have a lot of your day left and you can get a lot done when you wake up at 6:30 in the morning. So yeah. All right, so the next tip is going to be, if you can do it in under 5 minutes, then go ahead and get it done now. So with that being said, like if you have like a little chore, like I don't know, sweeping or mopping, something that can be done in 5 minutes or less, go ahead and get it done. That's less work that you have to worry about. And when you do little tasks like that fast, they really add up and you really won't have to worry about doing it later on in life. Because you guys know, like little tasks like that, that's what people always tend to forget to do. Like the little stuff, the stuff that barely takes time. Those are the chores that people usually forget to do. So if you know that you can do it in under 5 minutes, go ahead and get it done so that you don't have to worry about it. Alright guys, this goes along with making your schedule, but try waking up early in the morning, because make your day count. When you wake up early in the morning, like I said earlier, you're giving yourself more time to get more stuff done. So waking up at 6:30 is of course going to be totally different than waking up at 12 p.m. But just imagine how much stuff you can get done in the morning compared to what you're going to get done in the afternoon at 12 p.m. Not only that, successful people, they tend to wake up super duper early, and I don't know, I just feel like if I just feel like I would want to do what successful people do, because I look at successful people as role models. So if I see that they're waking up at 5, 6 o'clock in the morning, well, I want to wake up at 5, 6 o'clock in the morning, because I want to do what I have to do to be successful the same way that they're doing what they want to do to be successful, right? All right, so next is going to be energy and focus. Focus, focus, focus. Focusing is going to be your biggest achievement when it comes to time management skills, because once you focus you can get so much. And another thing is using your energy in the correct way. That also goes with the statement that we had, the statement that we have early, which was like retaining your energy. Use your energy in a positive manner. So instead of you doing something that's just wasting your energy, use that energy to do something to make you happy, or use that energy to do something positive in your life. It really, 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 really is a good look. Okay, and the last thing is success requires no apologies. So do what you love to do without apologizing. So if you have to spend all morning editing videos, do that. Just make sure that you're using your time in a positive manner, and make sure that you're getting everything that you need to get done. Just try your best to get it done. Alright guys, so I'm gonna leave you guys with a quote, and this quote came from the book Think and Grow Rich. No one is ready for anything until he believes he can acquire it. If you know that you can get something done, get it done. If you know that you can do it, do it. No one is stopping you but you. So I feel like if it's something that you want to do and you really want to do, go ahead and get it done, right? Alright you guys, so those were just a few little tips that's going to help you manage your time in a better manner. I hope this video helped you a lot. This is a part of my Motivational Monday. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys next Monday on my next Motivational Monday. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Check out some more of my videos, you guys. I do have more Motivational Mellow Monday posts for you guys. I'm going to try to get them posted every Monday, and I'm also going to do Wisdom Wednesday, and I'm also going to do Friendly Friday, which is going to be like my makeup looks, my live looks that I do on Facebook. I'm going to try to post them every Friday. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and comment what do you guys think about these tips. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.